If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on basic trigonometry part 2 level, where we are solving previous year Tripura University questions. So today we will take 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay student, if you see question number 1, what they have given here, solve tan theta plus sec theta is equal to root 3. So these are known as trigonometric equations solving using auxiliary argument. Introducing a auxiliary argument means we will introduce a new argument. Once one equation is given, and we will try to bring another equation from that. So we know a great identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So it is sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So we will use that concept, tan theta equal to 1. So from here sec theta plus tan theta is nothing but, or sec theta minus tan theta is nothing but sec theta minus, because plus is given, is 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. So you will use this concept here. So if I use this concept, because this is given to me, so sec theta minus tan theta will be equal to, you can write it down right side, so it will be 1 by root 3. You can see the minus 1 is the reverse of plus 1. So plus 1 is given, so reverse it. So this becomes now equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can add these two equations and you can see tan theta get cancelled, and you will find 2 sec theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3, which is equal to 4 by root 3. And then if you divide by 2, then your sec theta is equal to 2 by root 3, which will imply your cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, which will imply your cos theta equal to what is the principal value of cos? This and this quadrant. So it is plus, first and second quadrant for cos was principal value. So root 3 by 2 is this one. Root 3 by 2 means cos root 3 by 2 means cos 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So you write it cos 30 means you write it in pi by 6. So theta is equal to, what was the general solution formula? 2n pi plus minus pi by 6. So if nothing is mentioned between what is the range of theta, you just put it like this answer, that will be your general solution. If they give you this type of range, then you have to find values of theta during this interval. What are the values of theta? Then you have to find. Otherwise you keep it like. Okay students, so this is the general solution, theta equal to 2n pi plus minus this one, where n equal to any integer, you write n equal to z. Now if you come to question number 2, these are given, cos 2x plus 3y is given half, and then cos 3x plus 2y is given root 3 by 2. So cos half we can write cos 60, root 3 by 2 we can write cos 30. Okay, so now this one in general, while writing general solution, I am writing cos, what is the general solution of cos? 2n pi plus minus 60 degree. Same here, 2n pi, here instead of n I am writing a new variable m, because n I have already written. So this is another one, so here I am considering m. So it is 2m pi plus minus 30, rest are same. So next to solve, to find x and y, why just to solve as normal simultaneous equation. You multiply this one by 3, this one by 2. So it will be 6x plus 9y plus 3 2s are 6n pi plus 160, and this one by 2, 6x plus 4y, 4m pi plus 60. Now if you deduct these two, if you deduct, x will get cancelled and y will be equal to, directly I am writing divided by 5. If you take 2 pi common, 2 pi from here, so it will be 3n, and because you are deducting, so it will be 3n minus 2m. So 3n minus 2m, then 180 minus 60, if you take plus minus common, 120. So it is 3n minus 2m by 5 plus minus 120. Similarly, to find x, if I multiply this one by 2, you can put the value of y in any one equation and then find x, or else you do this way, 1 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 4x 6y, 9x and 6y. So it will be 4m pi, it will be, because you are multiplying with and 3, that is 6m pi plus minus 90 degree. Now if you deduct this one, suppose this one minus this one, lower one minus upper one, so it will be 5x, and if I take 2 pi again common, 2 pi if you take common, it is 2 pi is just with this one, you think it of this way, 2 pi. 2 pi if I take common, then it will be 3m minus 2n, and then plus minus 90 minus this. So because this is negative, so it will become minus plus. So plus minus is different to minus plus, you remember this one. Plus minus, because you are multiplied with minus 30, so plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and it is 3m minus 2n by into 2 pi by 5. Now if you write it in xy format, so what will be your x? So if you take the upper one here, upper one is negative, so here you have to take the upper one here is positive. So if my x is equal to 3m minus 2n into 2 pi minus 30 by 5, then this one will be the upper one. 2 pi if I take common, 3n minus 2m, it is 3n minus 2m plus minus plus 120, upper one I am taking. Now if I take the lower one plus 1, here I have to take the lower one is negative. So you see, if I take this lower one plus, then here lower one is the negative. So that is the difference between plus minus and minus plus. So it is 3m minus 2n into 2 pi plus 30 by 5, and it will be 3n minus 2m. So it is 3n minus 2m into 2 pi minus 120 lower one divided by 5, where n and m both are integers. Put the values of n, they have not asked you, they have just asked you to solve it. If they are asking solve, if they ask some range, then you have to put the values of n to get the range. On what interval, what will be the values of theta in that particular up to 0 to 360. We will see when solving this one. Now this one, sin 2 theta minus 2 is equal to sin theta minus 2 is equal to cos 2 theta. We can easily make it quadratic, because cos 2 theta we know formula for sin theta. What is the formula for sin theta? In terms of cos 2 theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So if you do it, it will be 2. The quadratic equation will be 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. If you solve it, you will find sin theta equal to, you can do it, I think 3 2s are 6, or 3 minus 2 is 1. So you can middle term factorize it. If you solve it, your answer will be 1 will be minus 3 by 2 and 1 will be 1. So minus 3 by 2 cannot be possible, because sin theta is equal to minus 1.5, I told you. So no solution, because it is less than 1, it is not possible. So sin theta will be equal to half. This is one possible, which means sin theta equal to sin 90, sin 1 is 90, which means your theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 2. So this is your answer. So here the answer is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n to pi by 2, where n is integer. This one you have to write. What is n, you define it. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.